ẹ kú dédé ìwòye o ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa, ẹ kú bójú ọjọ́ ṣe rí, a kú àlàjọ ọdún tó kọjá, a dẹ̀ kú ewu ọdún. A dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ Elédùmarè ọba ògo tí ò fìgbà kankan dẹ̀yìn lẹ́yìn gbogbo wa. Ọdún 2020 akutuku rẹ́rẹ́rún lálàlù àmọ̀ṣá tèmi àti yín a sì wà láàyè lọ́jọ́ tòní. A fi yọ àwọn tó ti lọ, a fi dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ Elédùmarè ni. Ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ akọni ló bá ọdún 2020 lọ. Àdúrà wa ni pé nínú ọdún 2021 yìí a ní rí àjálù ibi, a ní rí àkóbá, a ò ní rí ogun àsúrépè, a ní rí ogun ó jáde kò wọlé mọ́. Bẹ́ẹ̀ tí ń jáde tẹ́ tí ń wọlé, Èdùmàrè ọba ògo yóò máa ṣọ́ yín lọ, yóò máa ṣọ́ yín bọ̀. Ẹ káàbọ̀ torí ètò Bàbá Ọjà. This is the Bàbá Ọjà show. Orúkọ tèmi ni Afọlábí Bàbá Ọjà láti Wakanda market. Ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ọgbà ni mo máa ń rí àwọn èèyàn tí mo ń béèrè lọ́wọ́ mi pé kí ni Wakanda. Ìtumọ̀ Wakanda lédè Yorùbá ni pé wá kájọ ṣe kódà, wá kó dáa. Léyìnbó àmọ́ ní Wakanda, ní èdè Yorùbá ní wá kó dáa. Láti Wakanda market, láti ọjà Wakanda lèmi ti wá. Afọlábí Bàbá Ọjà lórúkọ tèmi, ọmọ gbogbo Yemẹtu Ẹ̀làmúkú wọn gbọ́dọ̀ jẹ́rán ẹ̀gà. Oda, a ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ ètò tòní náà nínú ọdún tuntun yìí. Ètò Bàbá Ọjà a gbé kalẹ̀ láti máa ṣe àtọ́nà fún gbogbo àwọn tó ń ṣe okòwò, láti máa ṣe agbátẹrù fún wọn. A máa ràn yín lọ́wọ́ gbogbo ohun tó bá yẹ kẹ́ ẹ mọ̀ nípa bá a ti ṣe lè ta ọjà wa, bá a ti ṣe lè yẹ àwọn oníbàárà wa sí, bá a ti ṣe lè ṣe ètò òṣùná wa kó lè dá. Gbogbo ẹ̀ la máa kọ́ yín lórí ètò Bàbá Ọjà. So once again, you're welcome to the Bàbá Ọjà show. My name is Afọlábí Bàbá Ọjà, and it is my pleasure to bring you this one-of-a-kind show from the stables of Wakanda Market, wakandamarket.com. You can check us out. It's an online platform. It's a lifestyle platform where you can sell your goods and services to the world. And we're bringing this to help our customers, to assist them in the year 2021 to ensure that you progress, your business grows, and you progress in your business. We want to help you in the areas of your finance. We want to help you in the areas of your customer service. We want to help you in the areas of your marketing, your sales, entrepreneurship, all of it. We'll be bringing you people and experts on this platform that will be teaching you, basics of these things that can help you grow your business in the year 2021. 2020 was a one-of-a-kind year. Most of us, a lot of us, took a hit in our businesses, in our projections for the year. But we are grateful to the Almighty God that we are alive to see today. And so this is going to be an exciting show. Please stay locked on the dial. Don't go anywhere. I will be right back shortly, and I'm going to be talking about the 6 things that you need to do in 2021 to make 2021 a phenomenal business year for you. We're going to be talking about 6 things that you can do no matter what kind of business you are in, whether you're a trader, whether you are in a service-oriented business. The 6 things you need to do this year that will make your year exceptional in 2021. Please stay tuned. I will be right back.
A ṣègbóríyìn fáwọn onígboyà, àwọn òkànbí, àwọn tó dáyàtọ̀ sáká, àwọn alátúnṣe, àwọn iyọ̀ tí ń dùnbẹ̀, àwọn tí ń mú ẹ̀kọ́ funfun jáde nínú ìkòkò dúdú. Àléébù àyíká wọn ò ṣàjòjì sí wọn, bẹ́ẹ̀ ni kò sì dá wọn dúró. A lè bú wọn, dúnkokò mọ́ wọn, tì wọ́n mọ́ gbaga tàbí ká tilẹ̀ gbẹ̀mí wọn, ṣùgbọ́n a kò lè ṣàìkà sí wọn nítorí òdú ni wọ́n nínú ká ṣàyípadà. Wọn ò sì dáṣẹ́ nínú ká mú ìtẹ̀síwájú bá orílẹ̀ aláwọ̀ dúdú. Bí ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ tilẹ̀ rí wọn bí oníjàgídíjàgan, a rí wọn bí aláyípadà nítorí àwọn tó mọ̀ wípé àwòrán ò lè wọ ṣòkòtò, àwọn ní ń ṣiṣẹ́ dáṣọ.
Ẹ káàbọ̀ padà. Gẹ́gẹ́ bí a ti sọ tẹ́lẹ̀tẹ́lẹ̀, a máa sọ̀rọ̀ nípa nǹkan mẹ́fà tẹ́ ẹ gbọ́dọ̀ ṣe nínú okòwò yín ní ọdún 2021 láti mú kí okòwò yín kó ní àṣeyọrí, kó lè làmìlaka. Nǹkan mẹ́fà la máa gbé yẹ̀wò 6 things that you have to do in the year 2021 that will make your business thrive this year. The first thing is you need to get organized. You need to get organized. O ní láti ṣe ètò ara rẹ dáadáa. Ní ọdún tá a mú yìí, tí o bá fi ara balẹ̀ kó o ṣe ètò ara rẹ, o lè ṣètò okòwò rẹ. You need to get organized as an individual. You need to begin to set boundaries. You need to begin to apportion time. Plan yourself, plan your time, plan your space, organize yourself. Don't just be somebody who is, very, very spontaneous. Just on every single thing, you're spontaneous. You're just responding, you are reacting. Act upon yourself. It is very, very important that you do that in the year 2021. 2020 taught us a lot of things. For most of us, a lot of things we did in 2020 were reactions. They were not things that we planned because we could not control the things that were happening to us, so we had to react to it. But if you had a plan for yourself, that factored in all those things, then you will be able to react a lot better. So in 2021, one of the things you must make up your mind to do is you must make up your mind to plan yourself, to organize yourself. Get organized. Stop mingling work time and play time together. Set aside time for everything you do. Apportion your time. Ṣe ètò ara rẹ dáadáa. Mọ́jòyè aṣọ tí wọ́n gbé sórí ìkọ́ tó pé gbogbo ìgbà téèyàn bá ti yóò kàn gbé ni wọ́n kàn kọ́ sọ̀kalẹ̀ ni. Má jẹ́ wọ́n fi ọkọ́ síbi kan tó yẹ anybody ló lè wọlé rẹ̀ tí ó kàn gbé ọkọ́. Ngbọ́táyé olóde o ti gbẹ́wò o ti tẹ̀lé wọn lọ. O lọ kí o ti gbẹ́wò o ti tẹ̀lé wọn lọ. Ṣe ètò ara rẹ dáadáa nínú ọdún 2021. Ẹni tí ó bá ṣoríire ó ní láti ṣètò ara rẹ dáadáa. Ẹni tí ó bá ṣoríire ó ní láti ṣètò ara rẹ dáadáa. Ìyẹn èkíní. Èkejì, ó ní láti ṣe àkọsílẹ̀ gbogbo tí ń lọ nínú okòwò rẹ ní ọdún 2021. Ó ní láti ṣe àkọsílẹ̀ dáadáa. Keep detailed records of your business, of your transactions. In 2021, you must make it a point of duty to keep detailed records. In the year 2020, there were a lot of opportunities of government trying to help businesses because of loss of income. A lot of people could not benefit from those things because they did not have proper records. They did not register their businesses. They didn't have proper records, and so they could not benefit from those things. Nínú ọdún 2021 tó wọ̀ yìí, o ní láti ṣe àkọsílẹ̀ ohun gbogbo tó ń lọ ní okòwò rẹ dáadáa. Ẹni tí ó bá gbèrú, ẹni tí ó bá ṣoríire, ẹni tí ó bá tóbi lọ́jọ́ ọ̀la, ó ní láti mọ bí owó rẹ̀ ti ń wá, ó ní láti mọ bí tó owó rẹ̀ ń lọ. Bó o bá ṣàkọsílẹ̀ ní okòwò rẹ̀, o lè mọ bí tó owó rẹ̀ ń lọ, tó gbogbo ètò ìṣúná rẹ̀, o lè mọ bó ṣe ń ṣẹlẹ̀. So o ní láti ṣe àkọsílẹ̀ tó yọrantí nínú okòwò rẹ lọ́dún 2021. Keep records, keep detailed records. Understand what cash flow is. Understand what how to read a balance sheet. Understand what the balance sheet is. If you don't have this knowledge, go and learn these things. Learn how to keep a detailed record of your transactions in your business. It does not matter how small or how big the business is. If you don't keep your records, if all money enters into your own account, into your personal account, you don't have a business account, in the year 2021, you cannot grow as you should. Open a business account, keep detailed records, separate your business finance from your personal finance. Keep detailed records. Ó kù nǹkan mẹ́rin tí mo fẹ́ ṣàlàyé fún wa tá a lò nínú ọdún 2021 tí ó jẹ́ kí a ṣe àṣeyọrí, ṣùgbọ́n kí n tó sọ mò ń bọ̀ ni. ẹ káàbọ̀ ohun kẹta táwọn àgbéyẹ̀wò lónìí ni o ní láti ṣe ìgbékalẹ̀ okòwò rẹ lọ́nà tó jọjú. Be creative in presenting your business. If there is anything that would stand you out in the year 2021, it is your creativity. What are your competitors doing? What are your friends? What are the people, your contemporaries in the same industry? What are they doing with their business? What can you do a little bit better? What can you do that they are not doing right now? What can you add to your service? What can you add to your business? What can you sell that complements what you're already selling, that your customer needs very well? Become very creative in 2021. Recently, I heard a story of a lady who sells, I think, fabrics. And every time she sends fabric to a customer, she will pack the fabric in a nylon and put, I think, 1 or 2 tom-toms inside the nylon. And, she became known for this. And her customers would literally return any order that she sends, and there was no tom-tom inside it. Because they always look forward to the tom-tom. Something as little as tom-tom could be a difference maker for you in 2021. I'm not saying I'm used to tom-tom approach, but if it works for you, why not? Find something creative to add to your business. Be creative this year. Gbé okòwò rẹ kalẹ̀ lọ́nà tó jọjú. Má dagunlá sí n tó ń ṣe. Wọ́n táwọn ẹgbẹ́ rẹ̀ ń ṣe kí ló lè ṣe tó dájú n táwọn ń ṣe lọ. How can you present your business? Báwo ló ṣe lè ṣe àgbékalẹ̀ rẹ tí àwọn oníbàárà rẹ ó wò pé ìyá lágbájá ó nífẹ̀ẹ́ wa, ó ń ronú nípa wa, ohun tó ṣe yìí wàláhì ìlé rajà lọ́dọ̀ ẹlòmíì mọ́, ọ̀dọ̀ rẹ̀ ní ti máa rajà lọ. Become very creative in 2021. Number 4 thing is stay focused. Stay focused. In 2021, you have to manage your distractions. If you are going to succeed with your business and succeed with your career in 2021, you must manage your distractions. There are going to be a lot of things that are going to be begging for your attention, vying for your attention. You have to make up your mind that those things are not worth your attention. Make up your mind to focus on your core objectives for 2021, on your growing your business, on marketing your business, on getting more customers, on increasing your cash flow, on increasing your profit in 2021. The things that are important to your mental health, do them in 2021. Stop, jumping from pillar to post, going from one bed to the other in 2021. Lord, no, 2021, sọ ìgbà rẹ ajá èrò kò sójú lé méjì, sọ ìgbà rẹ jókòó síbi àfiọ́sí jẹ́ kí kankan lè rẹ ọ̀tá òǹdí yéé fò káàkiri kì í ṣe gbogbo wà bẹ́ẹ̀ lèèyàn gbọ́dọ̀ lọ, kì í ṣe gbogbo òde ló gbọ́dọ̀ raṣọ rẹ̀. Sọ́gbà rẹ lọ́dún 2021 jókòó kó owó ibi tá a bá fi ọ́ síbẹ̀ ní kó o jókòó sí. Okòwò rẹ ni kó o gbájúmọ́, àwọn ọmọ rẹ, ọkọ rẹ, aya rẹ ni o gbájúmọ́ lọ́dún 2021. Má ṣe gbọ́ ìsọ ìkáàkiri. Farabalẹ̀ kó o jókòó tí n tó nítumọ̀ sáyé rẹ n tí kò gbájúmọ́ nù. Lọ́dún 2021 tọ́ọ̀bà soríire nídìí ọrọ̀ ajé rẹ o ní láti gbájúmọ́. Iṣu tá a bá tẹnumọ́ òun ni èjó náà. Bá a bá ti tẹnumọ́ nǹkan kò lè jóná, tó o bá gbájúmọ́ nǹkan kò lè bàjẹ́. Sọ ti gbọ́, stay focused in 2021. Ohun karùn-ún tí a lè ṣe láti ṣe oríire, láti làlùyọ nínú ọdún 2021, òun ni a ní láti ronú ọ̀la. A ní láti ronú ọ̀la. Be conscious about tomorrow. Má fi ọwọ́ mẹ́wẹ̀ẹ̀wá jẹun. Kése gbogbo aṣọ ẹbí lọ gbọ́dọ̀ rà lọ́dún 2021. Kì í ṣe gbogbo pati wọ́n ní pati kan l'Oǹdó, wọ́n ní kan l'Èkìtì, à ń lọ Àkúrẹ́, à ń lọ Àbújá, kíá o ti ra tíkẹ̀tì o ti lọ. Wo àwọn pátì mi wọn ò lè mọ̀ bọ́ọ̀ bá wá ọlọ́mọdé àrílà burú bólúwa rẹ̀ bá ń lọ pátì bọ́bá lásẹ̀ lójú ọ̀nà pátì wọn ò ní dúró wọn ó ṣe pátì òde ìyàwó lọ wo bí ìyàwó òkú bọ́kọ̀ òkú wọn ò lè dá òde ìyàwó dúró torí tiẹ̀ wọn ó ṣe ìyàwó wọn wo mọ́ para rẹ lọ́dún 2021 ronú ọ̀la má fọwọ́ mẹ́rẹ̀ẹ̀wá jẹun take risk make sacrifices for your tomorrow understand that there is always a tomorrow plan for it take risk calculated risk for tomorrow don't just sit down in one place and expect everything to happen to you take risk for your business be very conscious má jẹ gbogbo rẹ̀ tán lónìí kó o sì ronú ọ̀la má fọ gbogbo owó rẹ̀ raṣọ ẹbí tán ó kù nǹkan ẹyọ kan tí ń sọ fún wa fún ọdún 2021 iṣẹ́ eré yìí òun ló ṣe pàtàkì jù tá a bá sì mú un lò gidi a ó rí yàtọ̀ gédégédé nínú okòwò wa ní ọdún 2021 ohun kẹfà tí a lè ṣe nínú ọdún 2021 tó lè jẹ́ kí okòwò wa kó bú jáde òun ni láti ṣe àgbékalẹ̀ ètò ọrọ̀ ajé wa lọ́nà tó tayọ provide excellent service to your customers you have to stand out you have to be able to provide your service in such a way that people would wonder is she really making any profit? How does he even do it? You provide such a good service that even your competitors are scared to try the things you're trying. And that's how you win. You've got to make the customer king at all times. Provide excellent service. When you provide excellent service and value to people, you can command any amount of payment. They will be willing to pay you above and beyond what the service is worth. And that is one of the things you have to understand in the year 2021. Yeah, people are going to tell you that, cheap service, provide cheap service, people don't have money, things like that. But see, everybody else is going to do cheap. Don't do cheap. Do valuable. Do excellent. Do something that is exceptional. Have you heard that iPhone is cutting the cost or reducing the price of the iPhone? Or Apple is reducing the price of iPhone? It won't happen. Despite the pandemic, no. The iPhone 12 is still selling like mad. Reality is this: as long as there is exceptional value, the ones who will buy it will roll over themselves to come and buy it from you. Ṣe àgbékalẹ̀ okòwò rẹ lọ́nà tó tayọ. Tí o bá ti ń ṣe àgbékalẹ̀ okòwò rẹ ní ọ̀nà tó jẹ́ pé àwọn èèyàn ó di àrímá lè lọ, àwòmọ́ lè padà fáwọn èèyàn, kò sí iye owó tó ní kó kí wọ́n san tí wọn ò ní lè san fún ọ. Tó o bá sọ ọjà rẹ di tí àwọn èèyàn tí wọn ò lè ṣàìmọ́ lè fi ṣe torí pé kò sẹ́ni tó ń ṣe bí o ti ń ṣe, yóò di nǹkan tí bọ́ ọ bá ní ẹ̀sán yìí báyìí wọ́n máa san ni. Kò jẹ́ bó ṣe jẹ́. Nǹkan mẹ́fà tí a lè ṣe ní ọdún 2021 tó lè jẹ́ kí ètò ọrọ̀ ajé wa kó lọ dáadáa. Let me reiterate again. Let me go over it one more time. The first thing is get organized. The second thing is keep detailed records. The third thing is be creative. Number 4, stay focused. Number 5, make sacrifices and take risk. And number 6, provide excellent service.
A ṣègbóríyìn fáwọn onígboyà, àwọn òkànbí, àwọn tó dáyàtọ̀ sáká, àwọn alátúnṣe, àwọn iyọ̀ tí ń dunbẹ̀, àwọn tí ń mú ẹ̀kọ́ funfun jáde nínú ìkòkò dúdú. Àléébù àyíká wọn ò ṣàjòjì sí wọn, bẹ́ẹ̀ ni kò sì dá wọn dúró. A lè bú wọn, dúnkokò mọ́ wọn, tì wọ́n mọ́ gbaga tàbí ká tilẹ̀ gbẹ̀mí wọn, ṣùgbọ́n a kò lè ṣàìkà sí wọn nítorí òdú ni wọ́n nínú ká ṣàyípadà. Wọn ò sì dáṣẹ́ nínú ká mú ìtẹ̀síwájú bá orílẹ̀ aláwọ̀ dúdú. Bí ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ tilẹ̀ rí wọn bí oníjàgídíjàgan, a rí wọn bí aláyípadà nítorí àwọn tó mọ̀ wípé àwòrán ò lè wọ ṣòkòtò, àwọn ní ń ṣiṣẹ́ dáṣọ.
ṣókí lọ́bẹ̀ oge kò jù báwọn náà lọ lọ́jọ́ tòní tó bá tún di ọ̀sẹ̀ tó ń bọ̀ á tún mú àkọ́tún ètò bàbá ọjà wá fún yín. So next week we will be bringing a guest on the show, the Baba Oja Show, and we'll be talking about a lot of things that pertains to small and medium-sized businesses, and we'll be just asking our guests questions. And if you have any question whatsoever that you would like us to talk about on the Baba Oja Show, anything you would like us to share an insight on for you and for your business, just ask the questions on our social media platforms. Just you can drop a comment down there. We would read all your comments and we would respond to them. Thank you so much for staying with us. Baba Oja Show will be coming to you once a week, weekly, and we hope to make it worth your while. Kò jẹ́ bó jẹ́ lọ́jọ́ tòní, ǹjẹ́ kó ká tó lọ lọ́jọ́ tòní, ẹ jẹ́ n ṣàdúrà fún gbogbo àwa tá a jẹ́ olókoòwò. Lọ́jọ́ tòní wà rí tajé ṣe. Ọwọ́ rẹ̀ á kànkè. O ò ní sílẹ̀ tẹ̀. Ọ̀rọ̀ rẹ̀ ò ní báráyé nú. Nínú ọdún yìí wá lu àlùyọ. Owó kì í wọ́n lóde ajé. Owó ò ní wọ́n. Iyọ̀ kì í wọ́n lóde ọ̀sà. Ajé ò ní wọ́n. Títà báyìí lọ́mọ ẹ̀ta ń tà lọ́jọ́ tòní wà á tà nínú ọ̀sẹ̀ yìí wà á tà warawara ni wọ́n máa bu ajé òbúgbà rẹ̀ jẹ ó tà ó Elédùmarè ó lọ́wọ́ sọ́rọ̀ rẹ̀ ó ní sílẹ̀ tẹ̀ láṣẹ Èdùmàrè. Orúkọ tèmi la Afọlábí Bàbá Ọjà. Tó bá tún dọ̀sẹ̀ tó ń bọ̀ á tún máa pàdé. Ó dìgbà.
A ṣègbóríyìn fáwọn onígboyà, àwọn òkànbí, àwọn tó dáyàtọ̀ sáká, àwọn alátúnṣe, àwọn iyọ̀ tí ń dùnbẹ̀, àwọn tí ń mú ẹ̀kọ́ funfun jáde nínú ìkòkò dúdú. Àléébù àyíká wọn ò ṣàjòjì sí wọn, bẹ́ẹ̀ ni kò sì dá wọn dúró. A lè bú wọn, dúnkokò mọ́ wọn, tì wọ́n mọ́ gbaga tàbí ká tilẹ̀ gbẹ̀mí wọn, ṣùgbọ́n a kò lè ṣàìkà sí wọn nítorí òdú ni wọ́n nínú ká ṣàyípadà. Wọn ò sì dáṣẹ́ nínú ká mú ìtẹ̀síwájú bá orílẹ̀ aláwọ̀ dúdú. Bí ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ tilẹ̀ rí wọn bí oníjàgídíjàgan, a rí wọn bí aláyípadà nítorí àwọn tó mọ̀ wípé àwòrán ò lè wọ ṣòkòtò, àwọn ní ń ṣiṣẹ́ dáṣọ.